Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to easily turn any of your photos into a fun clay styles animations using Pixverse. It's super quick, totally free with daily credits, and works right on your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Pixverse like this. You can use it on website or by downloading the app from the Play Store. And once it's installed, just open it up and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Pixverse will give you free credits every single day, so you can generate images without spending anything. Now once you're inside the app, just head over to the template sections, this one, just tap on it, and then just scroll to the options and look for the template called Clayful, this one. This template is designed to give your photo a unique clay animations look, almost like it's handmade out of a modeling clay. It's cute animations like this. Just tap on it and then just use template and then just choose your photo. You can upload a selfie or a portrait of your friend or maybe a photo of your pet or any picture that you like. After selecting your photo, just tap on create, this one, and then just go to mine and then just wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. First, just turn your picture into clay style animated artwork like this. Now your photo looks like a fun clay animations like this. It's super cute. And then if you wanna save it, you can save it by tap on download button or just share it directly to your social media. And okay, so that's how you turn any photo into a clay animation using Pixverse. Super easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.